Friends, I am Mukesh Patel, and it's my privilege to have been associated with the Zydus Group for over 4 decades in various capacities. As a member of the board of Cadila Healthcare Limited, I am a witness to how the group has lived its mission of creating healthier and happier communities and walk the talk every inch of the way. માનનીય શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ, મને યાદ આવે છે 1970નો એ દસકો, જ્યારે પંકજભાઈની સાથે અમે ખભે ખભા મિલાવીને કેડેલામાં કામ શરૂ કર્યું, ત્યારે એમ કહેવાતું કે ભારતમાં ફાર્માને લાગે વળગે છે ત્યાં સુધી મલ્ટીનેશનલ્સનું રાજ છે. You could not think of any Indian company which even has a small operation outside India. Aje, Indian multinationals are ruling the pharma around the world, friends. And we are very proud that Zydus Cadila is one of them. This is not the occasion, but if I have to make a mention, friends, this is a group which has an amazing track record of its presence in 55 countries all over the world. 55 દેશોમાં and 23,000 people worldwide are dedicated as part of the Zydus family. And all across the 6 continents is where the Zydan pride flies and flies high. I take this opportunity to greet and welcome you all on behalf of the Zydus family. History holds testimony to the eternal truth that every challenge or adversity carries the seed of an opportunity that can be transformed into prosperity. And in affirmation of this belief, Zydus Cadila's mission during the unprecedented and challenging times of COVID has been able to kindle hope and confidence in the minds and hearts of humanity at a time when we need it most.
Atmanirbhar Bharat. This is nothing but Atmanirbhar Bharat. And that is what we need to do to make sure that going forward, India can become the provider of medicine to the whole world. Not only provider of medicine, but every other thing through our innovative efforts and things which is going to happen. I would like to pay my respect to all the corona warriors, the people around India who actually help all of us to be in this position that we are all together, healthy and alive. So my namaste to them and my salute to them.
This is truly a project for the people. Someone once famously said, "Art speaks when words are unable to explain." It was a very humbling moment for us when more than 25,000 people responded to our call to contribute for the Zydus collaboration with Corona Quilt.
The idea was literally to connect people while they were socially distanced and to get them to express themselves through shapes, colors, and sometimes what words could not express.
The squares submitted are unique in form, in material, and in expression. These expressions signify an intersection between past, present, and future, between disciplines and between ideas.
So they say that resilience and fortitude are truly magical attributes that can be turning points for any transformation. Zydus has stood for resilience, fortitude, hope, optimism. And while they have done their task, I think this beautiful facade which you have set up is going to speak volumes. शायर ने क्या खूब कहा है, हवाओं से कह दो अपनी औकात में रहे, हम पंख से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ान भरते हैं। नीले आसमान में जैसे पंख फैलाए हुए पक्षी, टुगेदर वी फ्लाई।
ટુગેધર વી ફ્લાય એ દર્શાવે છે કે પ્રયત્નોમાં સંવેદનશીલતા હોય, સેવાની ભાવના હોય, લોકોની તકલીફોનો અહેસાસ હોય, વિજ્ઞાન આધારિત અભિગમ હોય અને પ્રોત્સાહનથી પીઠ થાબડનારું કોઈ હોય તો સફળતા મળે છે.